Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Gaming again. Bring another Enigma of Sepia content. In this video, I'm just gonna be telling you how to increase your joint attacks. Okay, joint attacks, how to activate it. It's very simple because like on my next video, I'm gonna show you tips and tricks on how do you build your joint attacks moving forward. It's just a short video, this one, before I go to the longer video later on. So like joint attack, you will see here. Okay, so it's gonna tell you what they need. See, total star level of Giselle and Morgana reached 12. So you need to have at least 12 on them. So here, Morgana reaches 4. Unfortunately, my Morgana, where's my Morgana here? My Morgana is at 3. So if I've done and gotten her to like 4 stars, so as you can see, she's still 3, going into 4. So it's still gonna be far away. If I make her 4-star, I'll be able to activate her joint attack together with Giselle. Okay? So because usually the joint attack activates on the second interaction here. Okay? All the time it's the second interaction. See, look at this. So I have Sepia. So I need this one. See? Watch Fate's Convergence to unlock. So Fate's Convergence to unlock is always the second skill. So you need a total star level of Gintama and Sepia to reach 9. So if your Sepia is not leveled up, so it's all uh, Gintama or Sesshomaru's turn to level up. Like I thought it's Sesshomaru, it's Gintama. She looks like Sesshomaru. I'm always saying Sesshomaru. Finally now like the emblem here, she looks like Gintama. Okay. It's not Sesshomaru. It's Gintama. I thought it's Inuyasha. Sorry, I'm sadly mistaken. I just realized that. So, and then here, like if you want to open up Denji, um, you need to unlock this one first and then unlock this one after. Okay? So, those are the things that you need to do. So, during an intersection parallel worlds, I need to like I don't want to upgrade this one yet. I don't want to upgrade this one yet. So, I already have them anyways, but like I'm not quite sure if I'll be equipping. I'll be focusing on Sepia. I'll be focusing on Sepia. So that's how you do it. How to activate your joint attack is by just like confirming on what you need to do, what you need to clear. So total star level, the star level is that star here. Okay? I know it's a diamond, but it's star, okay? Okay? It's a diamond. Like it's not a diamond, it's a star. Okay, it's a star. Sorry about that. The diamond, almost like a diamond, shorter on the side. It could have been a diamond, but like it looks like a star. So just follow what you need to clear. You need more copies. That's why you need to like focus on them. But again, if you're focusing on a Naruto team just like myself, it's very easy to like get all of these characters to be running in conjunction to each other. So that's why you can see my joint attack is activated. Boruto, Naruto, Sasuke is activated. So that's how you do it. Usually, again, joint attacks will be activated on skill on their interactive second story here. Okay, so hopefully that helps you guys help you guys out. You need more copies of the character moving forward. So yeah, that's it for me. This is again 2000 Gaming, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.